Math is great, math is okay. You will need in life every day. From pandas to functions, to fractions, to formulas. You will need in life every day. We need math.
Hey guys, Mr. Ng here. I want to talk about what happens if you miss a class. We have this absent assignment for CVA. This is just basically most CVA teachers are doing this. What is it? If you miss a meeting, the links are provided for you to view. You're going to go to module folder under conferences. The X represents the week number, so this is the third week of school, August, so that would be 3.1 at a later time, and they are made available after the meeting each week for you to review, and you'll have two requirements: watch the class recording and a one-page response. It should take you about 1 hour. Learning objective to understand the classes week at a glance and take notes on the information provided. So let's just walk you through what you need to do, and then I'll actually show you, and then I'll show you the template. Requirement number 1, you're required to watch the class recording. Go to eCadence, then to the math page, click on modules, and then click on the current module or week, which is week number 3. Click on the current Google Slides, week at a glance. Go to slide, most of the time it's slide 2 or 3, the grid view, and click on links. Under links for today, there's a class recording after I've had the class. So let's go ahead and follow this. So let's go to Cadence. So let's just pick my period 8 class. And you're going to go under modules. And let's just say you missed week number 3. So go to week number 3. In this folder, I have the conference. Remember, the week number is the number on the left. All the point 1s will always be weekly conferences. Point 2 will always be a weekly discussion we do in class. And point 3s will always be a weekly reflection we do at the end of class. So I said go to weekly conference and then go at the very bottom here. Remember right now, as of this recording, August 24th, 2021, the conference is not working. So I have the Zoom link here, and then this is your Google slide. So go ahead and click on that. When you do that, just opens up to what we have here. So I'm always going to have a motivation for you. A summary of what you need to do is called the week at a glance video. I have it here in this pink box, but the directions tell you to go to the grid view. In this case, it's slide number 2, and it helps you navigate them. All the slides, you just click on links. Go down to slide 10. This gives you a link for the Google slides that you're looking at. The week at a glance video that was in the pink box. It's usually a 10-minute video telling you step-by-step what you need to do for the week. And over here I have this thing called the absent student assignment class recording. So for period 8, I have posted your class recording, and you can watch that. So watch the week at a glance video, and then also watch your class recording. That'll be a 45-minute video, 10-minute video. It's about 1 hour, and then you kind of need the reflection piece of it as well. That's the one I'm currently showing you, the absent assignment. Okay, after you've watched it, as you're watching it, you want to make sure you're mindful of these things. Required number 2 is a one-page response. Watch the recording completely. Take notes on highlights and important information for the class. Create a 5-3-1, which is 5 key facts or ideas, 3 questions you have about the content or the information presented, and 1 reflective paragraph that identifies the importance of the content and how you will use it this week in your assignments. In addition to the 5-3-1, any other questions or activities completed in the video must also be added. The purpose of this is to show what you've learned, not just to see if you watched it. I want to know what you learned from distance learning and reviewing the video. Submit your response via email with your name and your period, and also an explanation of your absence. So basically, all the directions that you did right here, I created a template. You're going to put your name here, first and last. You're going to put your class. Are you integrated Math 3 or statistics, or whatever class you're taking, your period, a couple of sentences on the absence, explanation of your absence. What is the week number you missed? So if you missed, for example, you go here. Actually, that was a better one where I had it. You know that the beginning of the week is the 23rd, right? Week at a glance, so week number 3. You also know it's week number 3 because of the 3 on the left side. That's the one you missed. And there's the date, right? So you can fill that in. let's just fill it out. Oh, someone's calling me. Mr. Matheng. Where's my class? Let's say it's stats. And let's say the period is, I'm making this up, 9. Explanation absence. My daughter was throwing up. I needed to take her to get medical attention. I'm making this up. And let's just say I missed my class, which I just showed you, week number 3. And the date of that was August 23rd. I kind of need this because basically, I'll explain the big idea at the end. Week at a glance video link. So the reason I'm asking you to put the video in here, it tells me that you know where to get it from. That's the point. So you go here and then copy link. See it? If you press tab, you can replace it with that. Boom. That's a new feature. Class recording link. Okay, so again, go here. Let's just say I'm in period 8. That's the copy link. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of covered, but boom, paste. Okay, then watching this one and this one, if you want to hyperlink it, you just highlight it, right click, and you can press this one, or mine with the Apple is Command K, and it brings it to a hyperlink. So if you didn't know that, you know now. So you're writing 5 key facts, just fill it out. 3 questions you have, a reflective paragraph, and then it says to email me. See that? Email me. You could put mine there and then a message to let me know. That would count as an email. The worst thing you can do is if you don't do the notify part, I don't get the email. And you can always do it old school, share, copy link, go to your email, press compose, and then right click, paste that link. Does that make sense? Okay, what's the point of this? So again, the big idea is that there is flexibility in an online class. You should not be missing multiple classes because you're going to struggle in the class. But the good thing is if you do this makeup assignment and you're completing the work, I can give you full credit and that makes up for your absence. But again, if you're not in class, if you can control it, be there because when you're more in class, you can do better. Trust me. I have 17 years of experience. And so that's how you do the absent assignment for the CVA class. We'll see you guys later. Bye.